Hi, and welcome back to Crafty Nanny, the channel bringing you original stories with simple crafts designed to engage you and your little one. Go on a journey with new friends and bring home souvenirs by completing the crafts when the story ends. Remember to click subscribe and come back to watch a new story each week. Today's a special day. Let's turn the page to find out what happens. Today's story is Patch, Hedgy and Scoot Plan a Mother's Day Surprise by Anushka R. Merrill. Today was finally Mother's Day. Patch, Hedgy, and Scoot had been planning for months to treat their mom to a grand surprise. They had gotten out of bed very early and were putting the finishing touches on their decorations. A little more to the right. Lower, lower. That's it, said Scoot, as Hedgy and Patch hung up a banner in the hallway. They had done lots of research in preparation for today. They knew Mom's favorite flowers. She absolutely loved delphiniums and alliums. They knew her favorite dessert, blackberry cream cake with custard, so Hedgie planned to bake a fantastic 3-layer cake as a surprise. Mrs. Tilden from Tilden Farms would be delivering her order of fresh cream and blackberries any moment. They also know Mom's favorite tea. Patch would pretend to be a waiter at a fancy cafe and brew her a pot of delicious cinnamon and cardamom tea with a drizzle of honey, just the way that Mom liked it. They were all very pleased with themselves and went about preparing for the big reveal. Scoot slipped on his gardening boots and headed to the rear garden to pick flowers for his bouquet. To his dismay, there were many lovely flowers blowing in the morning breeze, but none of the ones he had planted for Mom were in bloom. He went back inside to check his calculations. Based on a very precise formula, delphiniums and alliums should have been in bloom that morning, but alas, they seemed to be late to arrive. At the front door, Hedgie was in a predicament of her own. Instead of a basket filled with berries and cream, she found a note taped to the door. "Dear Hedgie," wrote Mrs. Tilden, "I am sorry to say that there are no berries at Tilden Farms. Strong winds destroyed our berry bushes. Further, the cows are now on vacation, so sadly we have no cream either. We are dreadfully sorry." Patch tried to cheer them up and was optimistic that they would at least be able to serve Mom the tea she so loved. He opened the cupboards to get the ingredients, and to his surprise found them looking quite empty. All that was left in the kitchen were some old bananas, half-empty containers, and some lemons. Nothing was going as planned. Their Mother's Day surprise was a bust. All of their shuffling and moping about finally woke Mom. She wondered what could be happening downstairs so early in the morning and went down to investigate. She found 3 very sad sitters on the emerald sofa. "Happy Mother's Day," said Patch, and they tried not to cry as they told her of their plans and how everything had gone wrong. "There, there, that's okay," Mom replied as she hugged them. "I love that you wanted to do all these nice things for me, but what I love most is that you tried. Thank you." She told them she had a plan to salvage the day. First, Mom and Scoot went into the garden to pick some fresh flowers. Even though they weren't her favorite, she loved that she got to pick them with her favorite little turtle. Next, she taught Hedgie how to make easy peasy banana bread using the 3 old bananas in the kitchen. Although it wasn't a triple-layer blackberry cream cake, she loved that she spent time with Hedgie teaching her something new. While the banana bread was baking, Patch got Hedgie, Dad, and Scoot to help him fold the laundry. Mom said that made him sweeter than a cup of cinnamon cardamom tea. She loved that he was so thoughtful and always wanted to help. Patch, Hedgie, and Scoot were surprised that for Mother's Day, Mom only needed to know that her favorite people loved her. They snuggled together in the den, watching funny movies and eating popcorn. Most of all, they were happy that no matter how bad things seemed, Mom always knew how to make them feel better. The end. How will you celebrate Mother's Day with your mom? Whether you make her a card, pick her some flowers, or bake her an easy peasy banana bread, remember to share your creations with us on Instagram at @IGCraftyNanny. Happy Mother's Day to all the amazing moms out there, making things better no matter what. Keep crafting, and we'll see you next time.